My name is Pooja Bhosle, currently working as Assistant Professor with AISSMS CHMCT. The topic that I'm going to be covering in this PPT is classification of hotels. Under classification hotels, we are going to see star classification, size, location, clientele, duration of stay, level of service, ownership basis, alternative accommodation. Hotel, an establishment that provides lodging and usually meals and other services for travelers and other paying guests. A hotel is a type of establishment that accommodates visitors for a short stay at a stated fee, a commercial establishment offering lodging to travelers and sometimes to permanent residents, and often having restaurants, meeting rooms, stores, etc., that are available to the general public. Need for classification of hotels lends uniformity in services and sets general standards, provides an idea regarding the range and type of hotels available within a geographic location, acts as a measure of control over hotels with respect to the quality offered in each category. Classification of hotels. Types of hotels based on star rating, based on theme, based on level of service, based on length of stay, based on size, based on target market, based on location, based on ownership and affiliation. Classification based on star rating. The star classification system is the most widely accepted form of rating hotels worldwide. The Indian hotel industry follows the star rating system, which indicates the number and standard of facilities offered by the hotel. The classification of hotel is done by a central government committee called the Hotel and Restaurant Approval and Classification Committee HRACC, which inspects and assesses the hotels based on the facilities and services offered. The classification committee includes the chairman HRACC and other members chosen from the government and industry associations such as Federation of Hotel and Restaurant Association of India FHRAI, Hotel Association of India HAI, Indian Association of Tour Operators IATO, Travel Agent Association of India TAAI, or Institute of Hotel Management, Catering Technology and Applied Nutrition IHM. In case of a heritage category, a representative of the Indian Heritage Hotel Association IHHA is included in the committee. The committee visits the hotel and evaluates the facilities and services offered before the grade is awarded. Classification based on theme. Based on theme, Heritage Hotel. Heritage Hotel, a recent addition to the hotel industry in the country, are properties set in small forts, palaces, or havelis, the mansion or erstwhile royal and aristocratic families. They have added a new dimension to the cultural tourism. In Heritage Hotel, a visitor is offered a room that have their own history and is served traditional cuisine toned down to the requirements of international palates, is entertained by folk artisans, can participate in activities that allow a glimpse into the heritage of the region, and can bask in an atmosphere that lives and breathes of the past. Based on the theme Ecotel, Ecotels are environment friendly hotels. These hotels use eco friendly items in the room. Example, Orchid Mumbai is Asia's first and most popular 5-star ecotel. Based on the theme Boutique Hotel is a small hotel which typically has in between 10 to 100 rooms, is setting with upscale accommodation and individualized unique selling points. In India, the Park Hotel is a boutique hotel. Also, the E Square Hotel in Pune is a boutique hotel. Based on theme Nickelodeon Resorts by Marriott was proposed Nickelodeon themed multi-resort to be developed by Viacom, owner of Nickelodeon, Miller Global Properties LLC, resorts developers and owners. The company currently owns Nickelodeon Suite Resorts and Marriott International other resort operators. Classification on the basis of level of service. Every traveler has their own budget for expenses that they are expecting during their trip. Some may have constraints of budget, whereas others may not have any constraints of budget. Travelers having constraints of budget may need limited services, such as only a clean and comfortable, ordinary decorated room for stay, whereas affluent travelers may need luxurious accommodation because they do not have any constraints on their budget. Upmarket luxury world class service hotels. Targeting the affluent segment of the society, hotels in the upmarket category offer world class products with personalized services of the highest standards. The emphasis is on excellence and class. The hotel provide upscale restaurants and lounges, exquisite decor, concierge services, opulent rooms, and abundant amenities. The design and interior decoration of the hotel itself reflects the standard maintained by the hotel. Mid-market or mid-range service hotels. These hotels offer modest services without the frills and personalized attention of the hotel and appeal to the largest segment of the travelers. They offer services such as room service round the clock, coffee shop, airport or railway pickup stations, and drop facilities and multi cuisine restaurants with bar. A typical hotel offering mid range services would be medium sized and roughly have 150 to 300 rooms. Budget or economy hotels. Budget hotels focus on meeting the at most basic needs of the guest by providing clean, comfortable, and inexpensive rooms, otherwise known as economy or limited service hotels. They appeal primarily to the budget minded travelers and groups. The clientele of the budget hotel may also include families with children, bus tour groups, traveling business people, vacationers, and retired personnel, and other group of people traveling together. These hotels have clean and comfortable guest rooms, a coffee shop, a multi cuisine restaurant, in room telephone, and channel music and movies. They may also have a swimming pool, a shopping arcade, and a beauty parlor. Classification based on length of stay. The duration of stay of a guest at a destination is generally determined by their reason for travel to that destination. A tourist traveling for leisure may stay for a longer duration than a business traveler. Commercial hotels. The duration of stay in these hotels is short, ranging from a few days to a week. Transient hotels. Transient hotels mostly occupied by travelers as stopovers en route their journey. The duration of stay at transient hotels is very short, a day or even less. Semi residential hotels. These hotels are generally patronized by people who are staying at a location while in transit to another place. The duration of stay may range for few weeks to several months. They incorporate the feature of both transient and residential hotels. Residential or apartment hotels. As the name suggests, these hotels provide long term accommodation and are patronized by people who stay for a longer time. The duration of stay may range from several months to few years. Extended stay hotels. In today's age of downsizing, outsourcing, and mobility, business executives are often away from their hometowns for extended periods of time and require more than a hotel room. These hotels are for these guests who wish to stay for a longer period of time and cater to their long term needs with special services, amenities, and facilities such as full fledged kitchens with dishes and kitchenware, refrigerators, separate area to wash clothes, housekeeping services, grocery shopping services, and recreational facilities. The room rates of these hotels are determined by the length of the stay. Classification on the basis of size. The number of guest rooms in a hotel is a criteria to classify hotels. Hotels can be grouped into the following categories on the basis of number of rooms or the size of the hotel. Small hotel. In India, hotels with 25 rooms or less are classified as small hotels. These hotels provide clean and comfortable accommodation but may not provide upmarket facilities such as swimming pool, restaurant, and bar. Medium hotels, hotels with 26 to 100 rooms, are called as medium hotels. However, in the developed countries, hotels with up to 300 rooms are termed as medium hotels. Large hotels. In India, large hotels with 101 to 300 guest rooms are regarded as large hotels, whereas hotels with 400 to 600 rooms are termed as large hotels in developed countries. Very large hotels. Hotels with more than 300 guest rooms are known as very large hotels in India. Hotels with 600 to 1000 rooms may be considered as very large in developed countries. This video covers classification of hotels on the basis of star rating, based on theme, based on level of service, based on length of stay, and based on size of hotel. Watch the classification of hotels part 2 video, which will cover based on target market, based on location, based on ownership, affiliation, and alternative accommodation. Thank you. Kindly attempt the quiz. The link is given below in the description.